I have a quick strategic doubt. If we shortlist 20 plus high intent keywords for a single product, how do you usually manage them? Do you prefer running one consolidated campaign with all keywords or multiple campaigns based on match type intent? Also, how do you handle situation where CPC is very high but the average order value is low? To optimize bids and maintain profitably in such cases. Love your question. Actually, this question, I think it has like 6 questions, so allow me to answer them each one by one, and I'm going to start with the very first one, okay? If you have a short list of 20 plus high intent keywords for a single product, how do you usually manage them? It always comes down to how much budget do we have for this product or totally for the brand. Because based on that, you will know how to manage them. You can technically add all the keywords within one campaign and then see what's going to work. Usually what's happening in that case is that some of the keywords, what you're going to notice is going to receive more clicks, and Amazon is going to spend money on the terms that have a higher CPC. This is something that we're noticing on our end. Now, the second thing what is going to happen also is that if a keyword also has higher search volume, those type of keywords are going to receive more clicks. So out of the 20 keywords that you added within your one campaign, let's say you have a budget of $100 for the one campaign, you added 20 keywords. The way how you're going to see it is once that you're running them, you're going to notice that some keywords, especially the ones that have higher search volume or more broad, they're going to get way more budget allocated just because more people are looking for it. So when it comes down to strategy, what I would prefer or how I would do it, especially for this product, if I know that I have 20 high intent keywords for a single product, I would split them. For example, I would look at the root of the keyword. The root of the keyword is going to tell you exactly what a product would be used for, right? That is something that I would do on my end. And based on the root, I could select them and add them in different campaigns. Based on that, for that specific root that the keyword has, you're going to get organic ranking, right? So even if there are 2 or 3 keywords and they have the same root, with the same root, also the other keywords are going to rank. And this is in especially exact match campaigns. So that is the one strategy. The second strategy is the search-based technique. Based on that, you can see, let's say the first 5 keywords have 10,000 search volumes. Now, those keywords are going to take up most of your budget. And for those keywords, you might be allocating a higher daily budget, right? And for the rest of the keywords, maybe that they are also highly relevant to your product, but they have lower search volume. You can also add multiple keywords within the one campaign. And generally speaking, it's going to take, if you're going to add, for example, the $100 as the 5 first keywords have their own campaigns, and then the rest 15 that have maybe a lower search volume, you're going to add all of them within the one campaign. You can get away with a budget that is going to be allowing you both to get all those lots of clicks that you would need for those high search volume keywords and also for the low search volumes. If this is a launch campaign, we would never try all 20 for that reason. You're going to gather a lot of data that might be irrelevant. So we would actually base it in, let's try today 5 keywords, how it's going to work. Tomorrow as well, you're going to gather the data. And then if you see that you're gathering just a lot of irrelevant clicks, then you would move to the next keywords. But we would never do all the 20 keywords at once. And the last thing, they handle situations where CPC is very high.